Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to see dislikes on YouTube on phone. So let's get started. So if you want to see dislikes on YouTube on your phone, then what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply install this application, which is Show Dislike, which you can find in your Play Store. So just simply open up your Play Store and in search bar search for Show Dislike. After searching for that, now you should find this application. What you can do is just simply install it, and after installing this application, now you can see the dislike. So what you have to do is just open up your YouTube, and after opening up your YouTube, now what you can do is just simply select a video that you would like to see the dislikes of. So for example, I'll just select this video, and after selecting it, now what you can do is just simply tap on share. And after tapping on share, now you can just simply copy the link of this video, and after copying it, what you can do is just simply open up this application which you have just installed from Play Store, and after opening it up, now what you can do is just simply paste the link that you have copied and then tap on show. And after tapping on show, now you can see the likes and the dislikes and the views of that video. And now if you just try to compare the likes from here, you can see that it's not fake. So here you can see guys, the video has 49k likes, and over here you can also see that this video has 40k likes. Views are also the same, but the dislikes are 316, which is not displayed in YouTube. So that's it guys, this is how to see dislikes on YouTube on your phone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.